Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check your followers in Facebook in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we will come over this profile account section over here. Click on that and then go for settings and privacy. Click on that and then click for settings. After coming on settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit in the left side, and then you need to find over activity log over here. Click on that. And now here you just need to scroll down a little bit. So now here you just need to come over the left side, and here you will find connections options over here. So click on that. And if you now click on the followers over here, you can see your own followers over here like this. So you can see all your followers over here like this. You can see. So this is where we can find out your followers in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.